Hello everyone, happy Dashera, and in older video we have discussed the approach of some problem. So in this video we will be discussing the code. If you haven't seen the last video, you can check out for the approach. In this video we are given with an array, a integer k which is my target, and array list of array list. I have to return array list of array list. So let us make an array list of array list. Okay, sorry. New array list. Okay. Now, let us check for a base case, like if my array is null, or or my array dot length is 0, then return the AL, because array list is a blank array list, and if there is a base case, then there will be no solution. Okay, for our convenience, let us take n as array dot length, like n is a variable which will be saving array's length. Now, as we have discussed in that video, we will be using four pointer approach. So for using four pointer approach, we will be taking a loop which will run from 0 to n. And for j is a nested loop. J will go from I plus 1 to last. Okay. Now here we are done with these things. We have taken two variables. Now for the third variable, uh, as discussed earlier, we will be taking left and right for the fourth one. So we also have discussed that we have to minus something from the target, or k. So in this case, we will be subtracting, like let us take a new variable which will be a new target, new TGT, and new target will be my older target minus my element at I and element at j. So element at I minus element at j. Or you can write it like this, like let us add both of them. Okay, sorry. Let us add both of them and then subtract from k. It will also do the job. Okay. My new target is here. Now I have to make two variables, like remaining two variables. One is left, which will be at j plus 1, and one is right, which will be at the last index. Okay. Now we are done with I and j, and we are now looking for our two more variables or two more numbers in a remaining portion of array. So I will run a while loop there. Let us run a while loop while left is less than right, because left is here, right is here. Left is less than right. In this case, there are three scenarios. One is that my left element plus right elements, if I add both of them, it will be greater than my new target. The other one is if I add the left element and right element and add both of them, then it will be smaller than my new target. In both the scenarios, we will do something else, but when the element at left and element at right equates to my new target, then I am done there, and that's my answer. So let's firstly evaluate the answer case, the case which we want. So we will be writing if array of left plus array of right is equals to a new target, which is new TGT, new target. In that case, what we'll do, we will bring out the quad or all the four elements and put in the AL, or the array list which we have to return. So for that we will make new array list. It will be of integer. Let us name it res. You can name it anything. New array list. Then start feeding the elements. Res plus add array of I. Okay, first element. Then res dot add the second element at jth position. Then res dot add the left element, the element which is at the left index. Left is not left, left is the name of index. Okay. And for the right one, it will be res dot add array of right. Sorry, it's not 8, it's right. Okay. So until here, we have discussed that case in which we will find the answer. Like if I got the answer, what will I do? I will make a new array list and I will put array of ith element, array of jth element, array of left element, and array of right element. I will do this. Now the point comes now. If we encounter this situation, what we have to do the next? So for next, let's see. I have told you in earlier video, like if there is 2, 2, 2, and if I am getting answer of first two, then there is no sense of checking these twos. Okay, so there is no sense of checking what we have already checked. So I will increase left or decrease right until and unless I found a unique element or a distinct element. Okay, so let us run a while loop. It will be also having the same broken condition while left is less than right, or not, or will be and my left array of left is equals to res dot get the see res dot add I means ith element is at first position, res dot add j means j is at second position, res dot add array of left means array of left element will be at third position. So for third position index will be 2, so res dot get 2. If I am finding the same element, I will keep on increasing left. Similarly, for the case of right, let me copy this line. No need to write it again and again. For the same case, if I am having array of right equals to res dot get of 3, because fourth element means third index 3. Then I will be doing right minus minus, because right is that extreme right end, right minus minus. Okay. Now let us check for other cases. Else if my array of left plus array of right is less than my new target, new underscore tgt. See, I have discussed in older video, like if you are getting less than your new target, it means you have to increase your left because array is sorted. Okay, sorry, I have missed one line. I have to sort the array. Sorry, my mistake. Arrays dot sort, and it will sort my array. So for here, if I have sorted my array and I am getting a target lesser than the required target, then what will be I doing? I will be increasing left. I will be increasing left index. So let us increase the left index in this case. Left index in this case, left plus plus, and similar in the case else, like it's the last case. Here I will be decreasing right index. Now for the same goes to the ith and jth element. No need to check what we have already checked. So I will run a while loop while j plus 1 less than n, j plus 1 less than, I told you why I have written j plus 1, j plus 1 less than n, and array of j is equals to array of j plus 1. I have written here j plus 1 less than n because here I am checking j plus 1, and if I have not written j plus 1 here, it will throw an error which is known as array index out of bounds. That's why I have to check j plus 1 is less than n. So if I done this, I have to increase the j, and similar for the case, I have to increase I, because there is no sense of checking the repeative elements. I plus 1 less than n, and sorry, and array of I is equals to array of I plus 1, I plus 1. So I will be increasing I. Okay, adding all the element in res array list, but after that I have to add that res array list into the parent array list, which is al. So I have to do al dot add res. Sorry, it was a slight mistake. Let's see how my code works. um, I think okay, it's worked perfectly fine. Let us submit this. Okay, test cases are running. Okay, so we have solved this. So if you are having any issues or doubts, you can comment this, and there is an announcement for next videos. I will be solving pattern like questions, means like stock selling problems. There are 6 or 7 problems related to that, so I will be doing that. After that, I will be doing the pair of not pair of, but series of subset sum, which is combination sum 1, combination sum 2, like all the problems which is available on LeetCode. So from now onwards, I will be teaching in a pattern of problems so that you will better relate to the older problem. This was just a one intro problem, so we have done this, solved this.